pretty cool.
What's his name?
He's a Constructicon.
What's his name?
Constructicon. Alright, Cece, do you have one to open? Oh, you're dancing. Cece, what's in that blue present? Can you open the blue one? Open the blue one?
Dad, I want my present back.
One more.
Can you come over here so I can
Mama
see you?
wants to see.
Okay, just a minute. I will tell you just a minute.
Okay.
You see this?
Hey, buddy.
A minute. You see what?
What is that?
I don't know. Hey, Mom, what's this?
Oh, what is that? What does it say on the front? What does this say?
I spy.
Cool.
Good
Do
reading.
you like I Spies?
This is an I Spy thing. What is it?
Game, and it's 2 books.
Ooh. Hey, Mama.
Yeah.
This is all my presents.
Wait a minute.
Where?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What's under the cover?
There's a bow
There's a
over
big
there.
bow on that. What's under that?
I don't know.
Lift it up.
What is that?
A bike.
Oh my goodness.
A big one.
Oh my
Is that a big boy
gosh.
bike for you?
Yeah.
Is that for you?
Cool.
Mhm.
Huh?
It is for me.
Cool.
Yay!
It's a big boy bike. Or it's just my size.
It's just a size?
Yay! Cece, Matthew got a bike. Yeah.
Mama,
That's
do you
pretty
know
cool.
why I got another bike?
Why?
Okay.
Is that because you're getting to be a big boy?
Mommy,
What?
the elf wanted like big bike.
That elf is so smart.
Did the elf get it right?